have 24 hours to prove I can make my first ever animated video. So I'm watching some YouTube tutorials starting with this one as I have literally no experience. Can I become a storyteller animator and be part of this animation community comeback that's been flooding my YouTube suggestions for days?
The animation community is coming back.
We're gonna start with a very simple video just to get to know the basics. So I'm gonna start with a video about how to make a ball bounce. You know, because for animators, that's elite ball knowledge. Am I right, friends? So yeah, we're gonna make a little floor animation. It's really hard. I tried it once in the past and it's turned out, I mean, good. I'm not gonna talk about it, but you know, we all have seen Alan Baker and his animations, and those are cool as fuck. I mean, for me, that's why I decided to animate in the first place back in the day. So yeah, I'm gonna make little lines so I can outline the trajectory of the ball. Also, the program I'm using is Pencil 2D. So yeah, so I'm gonna start drawing some balls like all the different places it should be, and then I'm gonna start making frames in between. But yeah, as I was saying, Alan Baker was such a cool guy, and I still watch his videos. I mean, he's just the goat. I've been seeing his series about like the chaos between the black stick figure and the red one, and now like the gray one. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff. Yeah, it's crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna watch the video because I got lost. Okay, so I just make frames in between. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Another animator I watched back in the day was The Odd Ones Out. It's incredible. The first video I watched of him was a Subway video where he explained his experience when he worked there. Oh my god, how can I make this? Holy shit. Okay, that looks cool. And yeah, it was really entertaining. And well, I saw his videos in Spanish because if you don't know, I speak Spanish. Yeah, that's my mother language. Okay, that's a really good ball. A good ball. And his videos were just really entertaining. Then I subscribed to him and the rest was history. Yeah, pretty cool. Okay, so I have to add like bounce effects. I really like these videos, man. These are really cool. Also guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. My first video has almost 300 views and it was my first video. Holy shit, that's crazy. Thank you guys. And shout out to everyone who's appearing on the screen right now because you are true legends. Thank you so much for being with me. Okay, I'm gonna pause so I can, you know, do this off camera because I don't know what to say right now. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the result of the first tutorial. Okay, so now we know about squash and stretch. So let's keep it cool and watch the next tutorial. Now, after no further investigation, I decided to create a random ass head with glasses.
Comment the watermelon emoji if you hear this just because of the love for watermelons.
So now I have this, which looks cool, but what is really good animation that feels epic and relatable if we don't have impact frames? Okay, after several minutes, I realized I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, so I ended up with this. Honestly, friends, I have no idea how to animate, but I've been seeing a lot of fun YouTubers that inspire me a lot, like Howplexer or Viyaura. They happen to know about animation and illustrative arts, and I believe that gives tons of personality for internet accounts, so I might actually learn to draw and animate so I can add my own tiny bits on my videos in the future. Let me know what you guys think. For me, I'm gonna upload this video and expect it to have 1 million views. Hi everyone, my name is Kovo and this is my first ever animation video animation. I don't know. If you're here at this point of the video, your retention spans are probably great. Thank you. That is huge. So I wanted to make this video because I always see a lot of video animators and they are so great. And the crazy part is that's not their main like goal. They are animators slash game developers slash influencers slash presidents. I don't know, that is huge. So you know guys, that's why I'm here, because I want to learn these new skills. Even though I don't want to become an animator, like that's not in my head right now. I wanted to try this because I want to make my videos better for you guys. So this video is just to test the waters. If you're new here, my videos are mostly about you and me. Yeah, literally. Because all I do is create like social experiments or see people's reaction things or trying things yeah, you'll see in the future. Just stay with me, please. I want this to be a channel where you can eat every Sunday and enjoy a good meal, or at least a breath or water. I don't know, just enjoy it. Enough about YouTube stuff that is boring. Now let's talk about me. I like a lot of things, and one of them is sports. I enjoy playing volleyball, and recently I've been enjoying a lot playing beach volleyball, but lately I haven't been doing it because I had some issues in my life. And yeah, so I'm planning on making like a video. I know I said I wasn't going to talk about YouTube, but I'm planning on making a video about volleyball. So what do you guys think? Leave a comment, tell me. I enjoy playing volleyball, and that is something that I don't know why, because when I started playing volleyball, it was like 2-3 years ago. I was just in my house on vacations, and I thought, well, yeah, ball don't touch the floor, and yeah, that's it. So I went to a place where they taught volleyball. From there, I started to take it more serious until I joined a club, and I started playing competences, championships, tournaments. And that is something that I'm very grateful of. But still, I have this feeling that it's just that I haven't done everything I could do on the sport because, well, I had an injury last year. I broke my hand, like a finger. I don't know how to say it in English, but I broke a part of my finger and I couldn't play anymore. The funny part is that I broke it when I was about to play a very big tournament. Like, it was the biggest tournament in the city, and we won. I mean, I didn't know that back then, but we won. But I couldn't play the 2 last matches. So yeah, I don't know why I said funny, because it really made me depressed. I was very sad. Till then, I've been struggling to get back to my sport due to my abilities, and also because I started to lose motivation and discipline. I started to get lazy, which is something that I'm not proud of. So then I discovered beach volleyball. I mean, I recovered from my hand, obviously, and then I started to play court volleyball. But at some point I said, well, what the fuck? I saw Haikyuu and Hinata went to Brazil to play beach volleyball. Why shouldn't I do the same and become a true legend? And I loved it. It was really good. Even the environment, like the people who I played it with, were really good. Such nice people. They were also from the same club, so I could play beach and court volleyball in the tournaments. Bureaucratic stuff. Well, yeah, I haven't played my first beach volleyball tournament. I'm gonna play it in a month or a month and a half. So if you want to watch that, just tell me, because I am very fucking excited. Yeah, that's it. That's all I'm gonna say to you guys about me in this video. So thank you so much for watching this video and this animation. Leave a like, subscribe, yeah. Hey, and before you leave this video, here's a challenge I totally didn't get from Viyaura's video. I'm gonna flip this lion, and if it lands on his feet in less than 3 attempts, you have to subscribe for the well-being of lions. If it doesn't, well, okay, we're doing this. Okay, my final try. I'm coming for you. This is proof that I finished the video within 24 hours. So I am very cool subscriber. Yeah.